Very good morning to you, all my dear children. Today here I am to discuss with you about the objectives of lesson number 18, No Place for Us. And in this lesson, I will take three TLOs, three learning outcomes of this lesson. And let's begin our lesson. And first TLO, that is the to discuss, find out the merits and demerits in the name of development, like dams and factories, highways, etc. And for this, I have taken this one news from newspaper in which an environmentalist resume and the fast for the cause of Bhagirathi River, and he was against the Lahori Nagpala hydro project, and his demand was that this project will obstruct the flow of Ganga River. And in this next picture, you can observe this one more activist is against this hydroelectric power because he said that 2.5 lakh people were affected when this type of dams were constructed. Yes, all these happens, but why all this are going on? Like in one more example, next is the Tehri city. It is very live example which I have seen on the video. This complete Tehri city was submerged under this Tehri dam, and this city has to be transferred from this place to some another place where new Tehri city was constructed, and in that the people has given the compensation in the form of money as well as in the form of land. Next, our TLO is to differentiate between the transfer and the displacement. Transfer, as in our class also, many children belongs to the army personals, and they have to leave, they have to go each after 3 years from one place to another in the similar way, because it is a part of their job, their service or their work, and they know that it is a part, it was under the rule and regulation. And when they get transferred from one place to another, in the next place they get all the facilities of living, housing and medical as well as the schooling. While in the displacement, what happens? Displacement is a forceful act, and if we don't want to leave our place, we have to leave because it is due to the government's rule, and we have to do, and we have to suffer from all the discomforts of our life. Only it happens if the government's planning was not good and it was not implemented in a correct way. Now, in the third objective of this lesson, that is to differentiate between the Kheri village and the Jatra's dream village, because the whole lesson, when you will read, will come to know that this is only the thing that the Jatra suffers, because he leaves his Kheri village to come this dream village come true, but it never happens. So what are the two differences? In the Kheri village, as the picture is depicting us, it is was a in a natural vicinity, in a natural way, and it near a river, and forest was there on the other side of the river. And the people of this village, Kheri village, do farming. People of this village do all the work with along with their children, so they learn directly from their parents all the things like fishing, dancing, making pots and all these things. And in the Jatra's dream village, what happens? In the Jatra's dream village was like that. He thought that the new village will have pakka house, pakka roads, schools, hospitals, tap water, electricity, and buses, and all the other facilities as he can thought. But all this not come true. Why? Because of the loose implementation of the government's planning. So the development should be there. I am, in my point of view, without development, a country will remain like a village. It will lag behind from the world level. So if we want to become a developed country, we have to be construct all these hydroelectric projects, highways, dams. But what we have to do is, what our government has to do is that the planning should be there and the full implementation should be up to the root level, so that the people who are getting affected from all these developments should get the proper land for money and compensation and other facilities as their requirement. Okay, So it is all about the lesson, and in the next video, which is also related to the same lesson, you will get the explanation related to this lesson, and which after reading that lesson you will come to know that whether you have achieved all these DLOs or objectives or not. Okay, till then, goodbye, see you for the next chapter. Thank you.